What you doing? Can you say Sawyer?
Sawyer?
Yeah. Say Sawyer's a naughty boy.
Sawyer good boy.
No, Sawyer's a naughty boy.
Sawyer good boy. Sawyer good boy.
Can you say Kitty? Can you say Grandma?
Boy, Mima.
What? Mima? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Uncle?
Uncle?
Grandma?
Uncle?
Mima?
Mima?
Can you say Mole?
Mole?
And Hair?
Here?
Yeah. And,
Here?
what does a cow say?
Moo.
And a kitty?
Key?
What's a kitty say?
Woo.
That's a doggy. What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say?
Meow.
Yeah, meow.
Meow.
Yeah, Mima.
Mima.
What you doing? Are you playing?
Hmm?
Are you outside playing?
Oh.
What is that?
Play?
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 Yeah.
Pickles? Pickles?
Can you say Ava?
Eva?
Yeah.
Uncle?
Yeah.
Pickle? Shisho? Free?
What are those feet?
Eat?
Feet? Stinky feet. Stinky feet.
Hmm? Did you free? Free? Walk?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Do you want to go bye-bye?
Huh?
Want to go bye-bye?
Huh?
Go bye-bye see Sawyer?
Huh?
Want to go bye-bye see Uncle?